Here is 10 interesting facts about koi fish you might not know. 1. Koi fish have been bred for over 200 years, originating in Japan where the first selectively bred koi were developed in the early 19th century. 2. The color of a koi fish is not fixed and can change depending on water temperature, diet, and environmental factors. The pigment cells in koi fish, known as chromatophores, can expand or contract to create changes in color. 3. Koi fish have been known to survive out of water for short periods of time, but they need to be kept moist to prevent damage to their gills and other organs. 4. Koi fish are social creatures and thrive in groups, with some living in large commercial ponds with hundreds or even thousands of fish. 5. Koi fish can live up to 30 years or more, with some living beyond 50 or even 75 years in rare cases. 6. Koi fish have been introduced to various parts of the world, including North America, Europe, and South Africa, where they are now found in lakes, rivers, and streams. 7. Koi fish are often kept in outdoor ponds and require specific water conditions, including a pH level between 7.0 and 8.0 and water temperature between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. 8. In addition to being bred for their colors, koi fish have also been bred for unique shapes and patterns such as the butterfly koi, which has long flowing fins. 9. Koi fish are often associated with spiritual and cultural significance in Japan, where they are a common motif in art, literature, and poetry. 10. Koi fish are widely recognized for their resilience and adaptability, making them a popular choice for aquaculture and ornamental use around the world.